Have you ever had high conflict opposing counsel that gave you more heartburn than your own client or the opposing party? You lost sleep, didn't know what to do. Should I call them back? How do I respond to this letter, etc.? I'm Bill Eddy, and I'm a certified family law specialist in California. I've been practicing as a lawyer for 23 years. Prior to that, I was a licensed clinical social worker for 12 years. Putting this experience together, I've dealt with and studied a lot of the dynamics of high conflict people in legal disputes. So today's seminar is about dealing with high conflict counsel. Unfortunately, this is an issue that people are asking about more and more. There does appear to be an increase in the uncivil behavior of some lawyers, and so what I want to talk about today is part of what may be happening and a lot of what you can do. So let's start by talking about what the pattern of behavior is so you can recognize it early on and especially not take it personally. So, high conflict issues, the first part of the pattern is rigid and uncompromising. It's very common that you find that opposing counsel just will not budge an inch on some of the simplest little procedural matters, so don't be surprised, this is part of the pattern. Difficulty accepting and healing loss. And in legal cases, you can have big losses and little losses, but what's interesting is for high conflict counsel, everything is equal, everything is huge. And so you get a lot of anger afterwards. Maybe you come out of the courtroom after a hearing and they won't talk to you because they're incensed about how it went. And you think, here's just a simple matter of getting the orders written up or whatever, and that's just not a time they can cope. So they have a lot of difficulty accepting and healing loss, even little losses. And part of why I'm telling you this is so that you don't get angry back with them and escalate the situation. We're going to talk about ways to stay calm as we go through this, because of course it's hard to stay calm when you're dealing with someone who feels next to impossible.